Carlton, when the agency returns to its active duties, I'll be the one in charge. Yeah. So there'll be no issue if she decides to come back or don't come back. We won't be after her, and we definitely won't be after you. This can be a beautiful ending, a happy ending. And trust me, you have it.
Okay, Bubbles.
Just be good to it.
It's like a movie.
Yes.
Bubbles. Thanks. Well, Carlton, old boy. Guess it's time to put on your sword. Till you need to take that back. Miss Brissett, isn't this a surprise? Are you a guest here?
Put it this way, I'm visiting.
What a coincidence. So am I.
Well, enjoy.
Miss Brissett, what's happening with your agency?
What? Have you heard something?
Well, there has been some grapevine news that there's no longer an agency. Maybe you can clarify.
Is this an interview? You work with a media house?
No, just a concerned fellow Jamaican. I know that your agency has been doing some outstanding work. So, I just wanted to know what's happening.
Wow. Fellow Jamaican. If memory serves me correct, weren't you one of them who wanted to shut down the agency for our outstanding work?
You know what I've learned is to let bygones be bygones. Who knows? Maybe you'll need my help soon.
Soon. Or is it the other way around? You may be needing my help. I hear that you want to get back into politics, but for some unforeseen reason, it's proving a little tricky because somebody else is in your seat. See you, Mr. Minister. Or should I say, former minister?
Miss Brissett, I want to say thank you
For?
for slowing him down. He was heading on a path of self-destruction. He needed his time out.
Wow. Have a good day, Mr. Wallace.
Minister Wallace.
Hello, young lady.
I recognize you from television.
Nice.
Welcome to Culture Tours.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. And you are?
Camille Johnson, and I'm the manager here.
Awesome. Can you tell me where my brother is located?
Sure, he's staying in Curacao, upstairs to the right.
Thank you.
Trevor. Yeah, him brother there. I don't know Trevor. Maybe him come for part of the fight. I know down here festive. You're lucky. How's the baby? She enjoy herself? Alright, good. Remember, me gonna keep you posted because you have to go come down and come part of the fight too. Alright, baby. Later. Mwah.
Hello, Celine.
Hi, Marcos.
Not so long ago, you used to address me as Minister Wallace, but you have elevated.
Well, that was when I was working in your office. I'm no longer in your office as your secretary, and you're no longer a minister.
Well, you were never really my secretary, were you?
So we're hitting below the belt now. Remember your height?
So, based on what I understand, you're no longer an agent. What are you? Common law housewife or nurse?
Marcos, I'm sure you're not here to speak with me. And I'm also sure the young lady have told you where your brother is. So have a great day. What good?